Hi, I'm Isa from Crafts and Cramps, and I actually made these fancy cards, but I think I'm just gonna wing it. But I wanted to bring them so you see our little period cup stamp on the back. But yeah, like I said, I'm Isa from Crafts and Cramps. I'm the founder and one of the artists. We are an artist collective. We are mainly focusing on menstruation, body positivity, and mental health. And what we really want, I think, is to spark a conversation about shame-free periods, and through our work, which is based mainly, I would say, with hand embroidery. I don't know if you know the term in Deutsch. It's Stickerei, also Handstickerei. That's what we do, and you'll see in a minute. Everything started a year ago when I was playing around with some colors and I was drawing this picture. I had it on my workspace at home, and one of my friends came by and she was just super offended. She was like, "This is disgusting, like why would you do this?" She didn't understand at all. And we really had a heated conversation about periods and menstruation after that, and I thought, okay, there seems to be really something going on, something we really need to talk about, something we really need to get into further. So yeah, I was just shocked that even in my closest social circle, it's still such a huge taboo, which was ridiculous for me. So of course I exploited it further. I started Crafts and Cramps, which basically means crafting while having cramps, as in menstrual cramps. It took a long time to get that name, actually. Need to be short and catchy. And then the first actual project that I started was called Just Blood. And I started to send all my friends questions and ask them to send me a picture of their bodies. And I kind of put their bodies, different bodies, on organic cotton by Jyoti Fair Works, just saying, by the way, and embroidered it. And we really wanted to show different types of bodies, as in different types of periods, because as we are different, our bodies are different, our periods are also different, like the level of blood or pain or what kind of pain. It's all, I don't know, yeah, really different. So this was the first project, Just Blood. There should be a small video, we'll see that in a second. And as we really got deeper into this whole thing about educating ourselves about menstruation, because we realized we don't really know that much, actually. I really got deeper into embroidery as well. So now it looks more like this. I don't know if you know this painting. It's by Egon Schiele. And it's hanging in my living room, and yeah, it was just staring at me with these white pants. And I thought, it's just, I don't know, it's just crying for some blood on there. Yes. So that's what we do. We kind of kept on going with hand embroidery, and we went to handmade markets in Berlin, and to get out of our bubble, to actually meet random people and talk to them about periods. And it was a really interesting result. It was an amazing experience, but also very scary at times, because you're just open to the public at these markets. And yeah, but we got through it and we loved it, so we kept going, and we're always looking for new projects, new collaborations, new ways to make periods visible in the everyday life. Or this is kind of like my way of tackling the taboo on menstruation, just to have it around when you walk somewhere, when you're with your friends on a summer market in Berlin, and they're like, wait, there's blood over at this menstruation piece, what is happening? And then people actually start talking, and that's what we did after that, because hand embroidery takes a lot of time. We started to print postcards to have these aha moment when you're, I don't know, in a bookstore maybe or something. And these are actually some tote bags that I hand printed at home, and I wear them in the subway, and I love how people just, you know, look around and then they see it and they're like, oh, is that okay? It's like, what is happening? Yeah, so that's what we do, and that's just some stamps. We also do, I don't know, experience a lot with different stamps and embroidery and stuff. And do we have time for a very short video? It's just super short, 30 seconds.
Do we have time for a video?
Yeah. It's just that you kind of see the progress of doing the hand embroidery. I think it's the first one, the one that's not properly named.
And that's why we love it.
Yeah, we're the artists, so we're not. It's no tone. I thought, I was thinking ahead that there's probably a problem with the. No, I don't. There's. You can just for you to get an insight into. This is me doing that embroidery piece by Egon Schiele actually, and all the different colors. My sewing machine, and yeah, you see it's. I think so far I've worked on this piece maybe 30 or 40 hours, and these are some of the other ones. They are very faster, of course. The first picture again. And yeah, I'm super happy to be here, and I would love to connect with everybody, and I think that's it from Cramps and Cramps.